To be fully compliant in that sense, I want to see if everything which is purchased by the client, if it's paid already. So over here, with one single click, I can change the data, and I've got a possibility to say, hey, the total revenue is in this case almost 3K, and it's fully paid. So I'm pretty happy with that sense. Going to more details, again, going back to the invoice, this is the invoice that we eventually have sent out to the client or eventually have printed to the client, which is all of the detailed information that we would like to present. So in this case, I've got the room charges. I might have some other services. I do have some food and beverages, and again, another day of room, and so on, so on, so on, so on. And this is essentially the beauty. We are using NetSuite again, but still have got a possibility to track the whole guest journey in that case. This is only the view of an hotel manager. But as an administrator, let's take Pedro as an example. If I log in as Pedro, you'll see that the whole dashboard changes to the role that I've selected, because in this case, Pedro is responsible for the admin work, the technical administration work, and he's not interested in all of the guest journey and the figures, but he's more or less interested in the integration stats. Is everything integrated, yes or no? And are we sure that all the data which is available in Opera and Symphony, is it also now available in NetSuite? And do I need to take some actions or activities? And with this dashboard, I'll be able to provide every information that I'm looking for, essentially. We can do that, by the way, in the screens of NetSuite, but you can also trigger emails, workflows, or whatsoever. An interesting one over here is that I've got some configurations to make, because this organization is growing. We are acquiring a lot, meaning that we are getting a lots of hotels that we need to include in the system. And the Hotel 360 functionality also allows me to have a reminder over here, where I essentially have to do a whole configuration of a hotel. And again, with few single clicks, I've got a possibility to say to say what actions do we need to take, and by just clicking on it, the system will lead me to the data, but also the actions that I need to provide. So I know right now that I have to configure the Hotel Cologne Barcelona, Leonardo, another one in Barcelona, and also the San Bruno. That being said, with this, I would like to conclude everything. So what we have seen is the following. We've got a Hotel 360 bundle installed in NetSuite, which is fully configured by us, and it's kind of out-of-the-box solution. It's connected with Opera, and that will essentially allow you to connect your Opera information, which is more operational data, with your financial data.